Alright, so today I'm going to show you how you going to change your email account password. So first you go to your cPanel. So how to access your cPanel? It's easy only. You just key in your domain name. So for example, this one is a seafood village, and then slash and enter, and it will redirect you to the cPanel. Alright, and then you key in your username and then your password. So after you log into your cPanel, you navigate to email account. Then you click. After you click email account, you will see the email account. So for this one is testing@seafoodwish.com. So how we're going to change the password? You click here, manage, right? So you will see the security section. You have a new password. So you can enter your own password, or you can let cPanel to generate a password for you. Alright, and then after you key in your password or you generate your password, you click update email setting here. Alright, and success, all of your changes to this account are safe. Alright, so I think that's all from me. Thank you.